Hello students, welcome to Dr. Shorab sir classes. So as you know that we are solving this UPSC maths optional paper, this of paper 1 it is, and of 2021, and this is the last question of this paper 1. So this is the 8C, part C. So in the previous video we have seen that we have solved the part 8B. So let's see the question what it is. So using the Stokes theorem, we have to evaluate this integral value, that is double integral the surface integral of grad cross f n ds, where this f is given, okay, and s is the surface of the paraboloid, z equal to 4 minus of x square plus y square above the xy plane, and n is the unit outward normal vector on s, right? So now the xy plane, you know, this cuts the surface s of the paraboloid z equal to 4 minus of x square plus y square, okay, in the circle C. So C is the circle whose equations are x square plus y square equal to 4, z is equal to 0. That is the equation of the circle C, right? So thus the boundary of the surface S, so boundary of the surface S, it is the circle C, and the surface S lies on the above the circle C, right? So this is C, okay, C. So let us take the parametric equations. Let us take the parametric equation of the curve C as x equal to 2 cos t, y equal to 2 sin t, and z equal to 0. So we have this 0 less than equal to t less than equal to 2 pi, okay. So by Stokes theorem, we have surface integral S grad cross f is n ds is equal to close integral C f dot dr. Now here it is, we can write, so f is given, so we have this C, so it is given as f is given as this x square plus y minus 4 3xy and 2x square plus z square, okay. So f is given as x square plus y minus 4 these of I plus 3xyj plus of 2xy plus z square k, right? And this is equal to, then it is will be d of xi plus dyj plus dz k, right? Now solving it, so if we solve this, so it will be C, so it will be x square plus y minus 4 of dx plus 3xy dy plus this 2xy plus z square dz, okay. Now it will be, since it is on C, so z is equal to 0 and dz is equal to 0, so we will have integral C, it will be x square plus y minus 4 that is dx plus of 3xy dy, right? fz is equal to 0 and dz is equal to 0, right? So here we have this t equal to 0 to 2 pi. So here we have dx square plus y minus 4. So it is dx dt plus of 3 of xy dy dt. So that is of dt. Now integral 0 to 2 pi. So this is going to be 4 of cos squared t plus 2 of sine t minus 4, right? Minus of 2 sine t plus 3 into 2 cos t into 2 sine t into 2 cos t of dt, right? So now solving this is the now simply integration. So it is 8 0 to 2 pi. So we have over here cos squared t sine t dt minus 4 integral of 0 to 2 pi. So we have this sine squared t dt, and this is plus of 8 0 to 2 pi. This will be sine t dt plus of 24, that is it is 0 to 2 pi cos squared t sine t dt, right? So now solving this, do the integration. So it is 8, it will be simply okay, 0 to 2 pi cos of t. So 8 of cos cube t by 3 0 to 2 pi minus 4 of, this is 2 into 2, so it will be 0 to pi by 2 sine square t dt plus it is 8 of minus cos t. So it is from minus 0, it will be 0 to 2 pi, okay, for this, and plus this is cos square, so minus of 24, minus minus plus minus minus, then it is cos cube t by 3, it will be 0 to 2 pi. Now here it is 8 multiplied by 0 minus 16 multiplied by half into pi by 2 plus 8 multiplied by 0 minus 24 by, it is 3, okay, into 0. So we have over here everything is 0, so this is 0, this is 0, and everything is 0. So pi is minus of 4 pi, okay. So this will be the answer for our question number. The Stokes theorem, you have to find the value, evaluate this surface integral, okay. So this is the answer, minus of 4 pi. So that's the end of this solution of this paper 1 2021. So you go through this every sums that I have solved over here. So if you feel any problem or if you have any difficulty, you can directly write to us, or you can directly contact us, right? So here is this paper 1 solved. So in the next, from the next video, we will see with this paper 2 of 2021. It's a maths optional paper. Okay, so see you in the next video.